Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope all are in good health. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arfi Kiki, a student of the SMKN for Jember, majoring at the Visual Communication Design Department. For now, I am telling you how to make a personal logo design. The materials we must prepare are a laptop, a mouse, internet, and Canva application. The steps to do are: first step, open the Canva website on Google Chrome. After entering the Canva homepage, look for Instagram content design format. After clicking the Instagram content format, we will be asked to choose between using already made template or creating design from scratch. Here I will choose to create a design from scratch. Next, use circle element, then put to the middle. Very easy, right? Okay, job done for the first step. Next, we are in the second step. Put some alphabet, actually just put Q, T, and L for my initials. Next, put every alphabet in the circle element, actually in the middle. The second step is done. Last but not least, the third step. Type Kiki Design Lab for my brand. Then put it under the alphabet earlier. Choose black color for the background. At last, type again my Instagram account at Kiki Design Lab _ Then put it the alphabet L and voila! My personal logo is done. Alright audience, if you like my tutorial how to make my personal logo, don't forget to follow my Instagram account at Kiki Design Lab and my personal Instagram account at kiki.v__. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!